If you're over 12 years old and you live in Sussex, I really want to talk to you for just 2 minutes about something brilliant you can do to support your NHS. My name is Jacob, and I'm a governor at Sussex Community NHS Foundation Trust. And what that trust does is provide lots of different health services all across Sussex. So chances are, if you live in Sussex, you might have used one of the services that the trust offers, or you will use it in the future. So my job is to represent the views of children and young people across Sussex. So I really need your help, because one person can't really do that. So the more children and young people who get involved at the trust, the better. And a brilliant way to support this trust is by becoming a member. It's free, it's really easy to do, and you don't need any special skills or experience to do it. All you need is to be over 12 years old and have some connection to the trust. That might be that you already use some of their services, or that you might in the future. So that's probably most of you. But by being part of the trust, by being a member, you're supporting all of those NHS services that are working so hard now and always to look after everybody in our community, including young people. And you might have even heard of some of the services that they provide. A few examples would be physiotherapy, the wheelchair and seating service, and Chat Health, which is a confidential text message service you can use. You text the number, and that text will go straight to a nurse who can reply with a bit of advice and give you some tips about where to go next, whether you're worried about your mental health or your physical health. There's also things like the Looked After Children service. So if you're a young person and you've been in foster care, or you've been through the adoption process, then you might have had contact with that team then. Also school nurses. And it's really important, whether or not you've used these services yet, that you can tell the trust what you think a good service looks like, and that means that the trust can get better. And that's how we support our NHS to thrive. So if, like me, we're out there banging pots and pans and clapping for the NHS, then this is perhaps one other thing you could do that would make a real difference to how our local NHS is able to work. So it's really easy. You can complete an online form by just following the link that's going to pop up below, or you can actually call the membership team and have a chat with them about how to become a member. It should really only take a few minutes, and like I said, it's totally up to you how involved you get. But I really hope that we see more children and young people becoming members. It's really important, and our voices really, really matter.